Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much to my new subscribers and also my existing ones. I really appreciate you coming over, watching my videos, commenting, liking and also subscribing. Thank you so much. Another week of cash stuffing for my savings challenges, and as always I have got £200. well, it has built up from since I started, which was in April. I think I started with 170 or something like that, and now I have £200 each week to stuff. And how grateful am I? Very, because after all my bills are paid, I have £200 to contribute to my savings challenges, and it's a big deal for me. It really is a big deal. It may not be a lot, but it's enough for me. I'm really happy with it, and I do try and make it work. I want to change up a few things as well in regards to my savings challenges, add in a couple more savings challenges, and also making a contribution to my sinking funds. So I've got all that to work out how I'm going to spread the £200 over the next coming weeks. But in the meantime, so happy that I do have the £200 to stuff in my savings challenges. I'm going to count the money quickly. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. And I've got the rollover, which, let's just have a look. Rollover, I had £13, and I changed up the two £5 notes I had in here for the coins. So we've got £213 to stuff. I'm thinking whether I should use any rollover money towards my sinking funds in the near future. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to do some numbers and see how that works out. But in the meantime, let me just sort this money out. Make sure I'm in frame. Lovely. As always, starting with a £5 challenge, and for the £5 challenge I'm going to give it £25. 25. The 52-week challenge will get £40. 20, 40. The 3-month challenge will be getting 30. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. For 6 months we'll get 45. That's 20, 40, 5. That's the first binder done. Now this one, what do we have in here? We have the luck of the draw. If you are a new subscriber, this is the luck of the draw, where this luck of the draw is going to be a mystery one, because each week I really don't know what I'm going to draw, what card I'm going to draw for this. And it goes up to £20. The highest is £20. So anything below number 5, it's £5. Anything above 5, which will be 6, 7, 8 and 9, will be £10. The 8 is 15, king, queen, jack is 20, and the jokers are skip a turn. So that's that one, and I'm really looking forward to that one. I really am. So what I'm going to do is get the cards out for this one. I hope I explained myself properly. I'm a little bit flustered because of the heat. So it's just about shuffling the cards. I'm behind with the hashtag BCL, you know. I think it's week 9 now, but I'm going to mention the ladies that was in week 8. So I'll be mentioning those, giving them a shout out. If you don't know what the hashtag BCL is, it's the budgeting community link where Budgeting April, she is the creator of this little movement where all the budgeters get together, share, well, who wants to get together and support and share each other's videos and go over, visit, like, comment, even subscribe, let them know that you know you've popped in and watched their videos or whatever, and you can get some great hints and tips and great laughter as well from these ladies. So it's really lovely to have this movement. It really is. So the week 8 are balancing budget, gentle charm budget, J budget vlogs, and budgeting with the Mealings. So I will link their channels below, and if you want to, you can pop over and say hi to them. And I really enjoy this budgeting community link. It's brought me closer to a lot of budgeters. Obviously we have that in common, and they're great ladies. I'm gonna pick my card now, so wish me luck. I'd like a high one, I really would. And as I said, the highest goes up to £20, so I always allocate £20 just for that, just in case. Here we go, I'll pick a card. Oh, let's pick one from down here. Ace. Ooh, what do we have for the ace? I'm glad I got an ace. And it's diamonds as well, so I marked them off. The hearts, spades, clubs or diamonds gets marked off. So ace diamonds is £15. So great. Let's just look for a diamond here. I think last week I got a diamond as well. Yeah, got a diamond last week. So that's been marked off. And £15. I really like this one. I know it's going to take me quite a while to finish it up, but I don't mind. And I really enjoy playing with the cards as well. I do. And this one will go in here because we won't use that again. And I'll just put these away quickly. Right, so we've got that one out of the way. Then we have budget in April's 30 for 30, where each week you save 30 for a total of 900 before Christmas. I'm seeing how that goes. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to make it, but just don't know. Just have to plod on. Well, that's rubbed off a bit. So that's £30, and we will just put that away. And it's time for roll the dice. Get my marker out and get the dices. This week I'm going to do a red and a green. We've got 5 and 2, so that's £7 there. Put that aside here, and I'll colour that in quickly. So we've got 5 and 2. And another go. £4 and a 5, so that's £9. I'll do the coins. 2, 4, 5. Actually, I'll do that. £9. Okay, so it's 5 and 4. Go. And I'm going to use a red one for this roll the dice, and this one is double the savings challenge. So here we go, let's see what we get for this one. 3. Got that last week, didn't I? So that's £6. We double it. So 1, 2. Great. Lovely. I don't mark this one off. This one's a mystery one as well. I can play that as long as I want, and I really do like that. It's not taking much out of the budget, and I really do like that one. And I'm just going to take my jar, put my money in. I forgot how much we saved. Did we have 5 and 4. I can't remember, but I didn't add that one up, did I? So I don't know what I had in total, but never mind. It's still all adds up. And I'm going to put this money for the rollover. 2, 4, 6. £6 for rollover, and that's me for another week. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back next week. Bye.